To add Shopify products to your Facebook catalog, use the following steps. Install Facebook channel. In your Shopify admin dashboard, go to Sales Channels and select Facebook. Follow the prompts to install the Facebook channel. Connect Facebook Business Manager. If you haven't already, set up a Facebook Business Manager account and link it to your Shopify store. Create Facebook catalog. In Facebook Business Manager, navigate to Catalogs and create a new catalog. Choose e-commerce as the catalog type. Select data feed. Select the Use Data Feeds option and choose Set a Schedule to automatically update your catalog with Shopify product information. Generate data feed URL. In your Shopify admin, go to Facebook under Sales Channels and click Setup to generate a data feed URL. Add data feed URL. Copy the data feed URL from Shopify and paste it into the appropriate field in your Facebook catalog settings. Complete setup. Follow the remaining prompts to complete the setup process, including selecting the products you want to sync and configuring settings. Review and publish. Review your Facebook catalog to ensure that products are properly synced. Once satisfied, publish your catalog. Monitor and update. Regularly monitor your Facebook catalog to ensure that new products are added and existing products are up to date.